Hi and welcome to the AirPods Quick Start guide, where I'll show you how to pair your AirPods with your iPhone and how to customize the settings so you get the most out of them. So let's begin. We'll start by enabling Bluetooth on the iPhone, so let's go to Settings, then Bluetooth, and just toggle Bluetooth on if it isn't already. Next, we want to make these AirPods discoverable. We do so by flipping the lid. After a second, a message pops up asking us to connect. Now, if this doesn't appear for you, try flipping the lid again. Failing that, turn Bluetooth off and on. If it still doesn't appear, restart the phone and try again. It's asking me to connect here, so I'll press connect, and it wants me to press and hold the button at the back. So I shall feel for that. I have it, and it says connecting. Done. I've released the button, and the AirPods are now connected. And if you have a look under my devices, you can see my AirPods connected. So let's go into the settings for these AirPods. We'll press the blue eye here. And the first line is the name. Now, if I want to change the name, I can press the name. And here I can change it. So let's just make it simple. I'll call them Pods. We press enter, and then we go back. And as you can see, the name has been changed. Next, we have the double tap options. When the AirPods are on, you can double tap the top for a certain action. On the left AirPod, you can select a double tap to enable Siri, to play or pause, to go to the next track, to go to the previous track, and off means it will do nothing at all. So I shall leave this one on next track for the left. The right has exactly the same options. I'll select play, pause, and of course you can select what you wish. Next, we have automatic ear detection, and what this means is when you pull your AirPod out of your ear, it will stop the music, and when you pop it back in, it will play again. So it's great. Leave it on as it is. We have connect to this iPhone. You can leave that on automatically. Microphone. The AirPods will automatically choose which microphone to use. If you wish to select a specific one, you can do so. Perhaps you want to use just one AirPod and you're using the left one, you want the left microphone on, as an example. We then have some information about the model name and so on. At the bottom we have disconnect, which will disconnect the session, and we have forget this device. If you select forget this device, it will remove the Bluetooth connection and you'll have to repair. So let's go back. And one more thing I'll show you here is if you have the lid closed and you go to your AirPods, you won't see all of the information there. You need to have the lid open or the AirPods connected to then get the full set of customization options. Right, next we'll go to the phone option and we'll enable the announce calls there. So let's go back again, and we'll scroll down until we get to phone. Right here. And here we have a line which says announce calls. And you can select headphones only. So when you receive a phone call when you're listening to your music, it will be announced via your AirPods. Really handy. Now we'll have a look at music playback and volume controls. So let's go to the control center. We have the music player here. Just here we have the AirPlay button. Let's press that. And you can see currently the music is coming out of the iPhone. If I want to select AirPods, I can do so here. And if I have two pairs of AirPods, I can go to Share Audio, and all I need to do is bring another set of AirPods into range, press and hold the back button as we did previously, and we can connect and listen to the same music on two sets of AirPods. In terms of volume, you can also control the volume right here, as well as the typical side rockers for volume up and down. And finally, let's add a battery monitor widget. We swipe from the left to the right, then just press and hold any of these widgets, go to Edit Home Screen, click on the plus in the top left, then scroll down until you locate batteries. Here we have a battery status monitor, and you can select the different style depending on how you want your phone to be laid out. I'll use this one, so I'll just click Add Widget. And I'll drag this by pressing and holding across to the main screen, and you can of course rearrange this to sit where you want. So there we have it. That is the Quick Start guide. I hope you found this useful. If you have, I'd really appreciate a quick thumbs up and let me know in the comments if it's been useful to you. Thanks very much for choosing my video. If you want to see more videos like this, check out my channel. Thank you very much for choosing once again, and have a great day ahead.